Okay, what I got for you today is a little different. I'm sitting in my car in a parking space, and I got a van next to me, and such that you can see through the window, or this side camera can see through the window to see cars coming from down the street. Okay. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it in drive. Oh, I'm in drive, okay. And going to look at what we can see. So here's that van that's next to us. And you see the cars coming. You can see them when it's looking through the windows of the van. But then they disappear and they reappear. Now I don't know if the FSD computer forgets about them or thinks they may be there, but they have talked about this object permanence, and it seems it's not reflected, at least in the visuals. It's a little disconcerting having cars disappear and reappear. It looks like in the close lane, maybe they can't even be seen through the window.